Today I will tell you how neural networks and other tools help me run a YouTube channel in English. Hi, my name is Yaroslav, I'm from Russia. I think you already noticed that because of my accent. I've been making videos on Russian-speaking YouTube for over 6 years.
Красотища-то какая! Только я вам не покажу.
Recently I decided to run a YouTube channel in English. But I speak English very poorly.
Absolutely, you're absolutely right.
And my accent is terrible, I know.
In my very imperfect English.
But thanks to modern technology, I can overcome the language barrier right now. I'm talking about neural networks like Chat GPT, 11 Labs and HeyGen. I will now tell you how these tools help me create video step by step. First, I come up with a topic for the video and write a script in Russian. Then, to the best of my abilities, I translate the text into English using the neural network translator, DeepL. Then Chat GPT comes into play. I ask it to check my text for grammatical errors and suggest corrections. I correct the mistakes and then try to understand how to pronounce this text. I use the 11 Labs neural network. I copy the text into the program interface and the selected voice reads it with the correct pronunciation. I try to repeat the text correctly.
Today I will tell you how neural networks and other tools help me run a YouTube channel in English.
The how I record the voice off screen. Working on screen is more difficult. I have to memorize the text correctly and repeat it on camera. In my first videos I used a teleprompter, which made the task much easier. Now I don't have a teleprompter, so I record a lot of retakes. Actually, I could not learn English and use the HeyGen neural network instead. I will already tried using it to translate my old video from Russian to English. Check it out.
Elton, 150 square kilometers of salt, the Russian Dead Sea and huge tourist potential. In the year 2021, Astrakhan found its way into the anti-rating of popular tourist destinations in Russia.
The neural network even changed my articulation, and my pronunciation is much better here.
Tourist potential has not been fully realized up to now.
What do you think about it? Maybe learning languages is already a thing of the past? Write about it in the comments. Right now I am learning English in an online school, but honestly I don't like it very much. Maybe I got the wrong teacher, but I get very nervous before class and don't understand much. Maybe I just a little slow. Then I start shooting the video. My Sony camera also has artificial intelligence. Thanks to AI, the camera's autofocus works. Then I edit the video in Adobe Premiere Pro and upload it to YouTube. The vidIQ service helps me with video design. Here artificial intelligence is also used to analyze the channel and provide recommendations for channel management.
Are you tired of working hard and still not seeing the results you want? Do you dream of becoming rich and famous without having to lift a finger? Well, you're in luck.
Then I create a thumbnail and the video is ready for publication. Creating videos in English now takes me 5 times longer than if I did them in Russian. So don't be surprised that my videos are so short. But on my Russian YouTube channel there are dozens of videos about traveling in Russia. Would you like me to translate them into English and post them in this channel? Write in the comments. И всем пока! Блин, это очень сложно. На здоровье. Фу, какая дрянь. Это ваше безалкогольное пиво.